right, guys. Drop a like below. You guys been waiting for this. So here we go. We're gonna start from this side, all right? Because the front is a bit, surprise for you guys. So let's go from the back. We got V3s. You wanna turn it on? Show some animation. All right, we'll show you some animation right there. Nice. That's dope. And then he got that duckbill that I have, same one right there. You could see it's really nice, aggressive looking. Then we got the tint at the bottom one, right? Oh, someone got pulled over. All right, he got those right there. That's perfect. And then what else he got? We'll go from the other side real quick. But if you guys want this duckbill, I know the seller came up with a few. They also got it in a white one, so I'll put the link in the description below. Just I'll give you guys a link for that one. And then on the side, we got these wheels. What's the wheel setup, bro?
It's
19-inch wheels.
The backs are 9.5.
They're 9.5.
And then the offset is 30.
An offset is 30. Let's see how they look on the side.
Those are stock tires.
Look at that.
They came with the car, so it stretches out a little bit, which is fine.
Okay, yeah, these tires are stocked from the 19-inch wheels. The stock ones, they came off the 19-inch wheels, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so you just got those and have it transferred onto this.
So if they're curious if they could put their stock wheels on a wider tire, which is a 9.5, they can.
Got you.
So that's how it looks. It stretches a little bit.
Yeah. Nice. So yeah, guys, I'll put his Instagram in the description below. Make sure you follow him. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And then you got the side skirts. And of course, it's dirty, guys. What percentage tint you got?
20.
So you got 20% tints. That's how it looks. The back. And then the front. This is 35, right? 20. Yeah. 20? I still see a little bit inside, but I guess it might be the light. It's the light from the front going in. Yeah, it's the light going in, so it's 20s. And he got the window visors on, and he's got vinyl chrome delete. That's how vinyl will look if you get it. Just like that. It's pretty sick. And then in the front, slowly moving to the front. He has a 4-piece lip, very aggressive looking. Check it out from the side. That's how the lip will look. And the car's not lowered, right?
Nope, stock height.
Yep, stock height. That's how it look, guys. Now you're probably asking me questions right now about the headlights. Let's get to that after I do the chrome delete on this one as well. He's got the 3-piece cover, glossy black. And this side, let's see what he got. All right, and then so let's go ahead to the headlights. Tell me about this, bro.
So these headlights were purchased from OKC Custom Retrofit.
OKC Customs Retrofit. I'll put their IG in the description below.
For 4 strips, there were $380.
So 380. So you have like one strip here and then one strip on top, right?
Yep.
Got you. So total 4.
So this strip is facing upwards.
Yeah.
And then this top one is facing forward.
Got it.
And then I also have a middle piece strip, which goes for the middle housing.
Yeah.
Normally I put that at night. I don't ride with it during the day.
Got it. So you said 380, huh?
Huh?
You said 380 with labor, or what's up?
380 just for shipping and...
Okay, 380 just for shipping the whole module, right? The 4 pieces and the module, the Bluetooth.
Tax and shipping.
Got it.
But it's 2-day shipping, so it's pretty fast.
Nice.
They change up to 120 colors.
120 colors, that's dope.
And animation.
So yeah, guys, if you guys are interested, hit him up. That's how it looks, pretty aggressive. And if you want, you can only have 2 strips, like Let's say if you're interested in having one strip here, you could just have one strip here and one strip on the other side, or you could have just the top strip. And this way you don't have 4, you would have 2 in total. So you can DM them and ask about it. But you got, you want to, what's it called? Are you able to change them? We'll show you guys some few colors right now.
It comes with an app.
Okay.
So it's Bluetooth.
Got you. All right, so we'll show you once. All right, guys. So we're gonna show you guys the animations. They got few colors and all that stuff. Over 120 colors, but we could just show you as much as we can from the app. He's changing it. So I'll put the contrast down a little bit so you guys can see the light more. Look at that. That is awesome. And he's changing them, you know. You're changing it every 2 seconds, right?
Mm-hmm.
Got it. So he's changing different ones every 2 seconds. That's great. And then you got the one that sticks. Yeah, I see that right there. Do you see how they're adding up right there? Now leave that one on. Leave that one on. Watch how it goes to a full LED. These are all different colors you guys can get. Different animations. Ooh, that's aggressive.
It's like breathing.
Yeah. Flashing strobe.
Don't put that on.
Yeah, you're gonna get pulled over. Oh man.
Let's go the opposite
That's
way.
awesome. I'm gonna show them the other side too, so they both look good together. Yeah. Alright guys, I guess you guys have seen enough. Make sure you follow him and subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a like, and appreciate you guys supporting my channel so far. Stay tuned.